Assalamu alaikum, my little stars. Do you know that before we pray, we have to do something very special? It's called wuzu. Wuzu is like a magical way to clean ourselves and get ready to talk to Allah. When we do wuzu, we are not just washing our hands and face, we are also washing away little mistakes and making our hearts shine bright. So, are you ready to learn wuzu step by step with me? Let's go. Step 1. Start by saying Bismillah, in the name of Allah, before you begin. This helps us remember that we are doing something special for Allah. Step 2. Wash your hands 3 times. First your right hand, then your left. Make sure to clean between your fingers. This reminds us to use our hands for good things. Step 3. Rinse your mouth 3 times. Swish the water and spit it out. This helps us keep our words kind and pure. Step 4. Sniff a little water into your nose and blow it out 3 times. This keeps us fresh and clean. Step 5. Wash your face 3 times, from your forehead to your chin and from ear to ear. Imagine your face glowing with goodness. Step 6. Wash your arms up to the elbows 3 times, starting with your right arm first. This reminds us to always do good with our hands. Step 7. Wipe your wet hands over your head once. This cools and refreshes us just like good thoughts refresh our hearts. Step 8. Clean your ears with wet fingers, inside and behind them. This reminds us to always listen to kind and helpful words. Step 9. Wash your feet up to the ankles 3 times, starting with the right foot. Our feet take us to prayer, so let's keep them clean and ready to walk on the right path. Step 10. Finally, say this special prayer. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. And just like that, you're fresh, pure, and ready to pray. So friends, wuzu is not just about washing our bodies, it's about making our hearts clean too. When we make wuzu, we remember to do good things, speak kindly, and listen to what's right. Every time you do wuzu, think of it as a chance to wash away little mistakes and get closer to Allah. Isn't that amazing? So keep shining, my little stars. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can learn more together. May Allah bless you all. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.